The H1B Guy here, and today, the H1B Guy forecast, February 2022 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions. It's the first Monday of the month, and that means it's time for my monthly Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions. But before we get started, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. I also wanted to mention the H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues in the recruitment process while bringing awareness to employment-based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. I'd love to hear how. You can book an appointment directly with me via the h1bguy.com. Today's post is brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain, and by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. Well, I wanted to say thanks to everyone who checked out the H1B Guy forecast, January 2022 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions that was posted on December 1st. And also thank you for checking out the H1B Guy grades, January 2022 Visa Bulletin predictions versus the actual bulletin released, posted on December 17th, where I reviewed my January 2022 forecast. If you're new to this channel, each month I cover employment-based immigration benefits, including the monthly Visa Bulletin and my monthly Visa Bulletin predictions. Last month I graded out at 56%, 9 out of 16. I'll continue to use the bulletins from 6 months prior and last month's bulletin to identify if there are any noticeable trends. Starting with the January 2022 Visa Bulletins, number of days forward movement, month over month, as well as the number of days forward movement over the last 6 months from the August 2021 Visa Bulletin. Starting with January 2022's Visa Bulletin, final action dates for India and EB1, January 1st, 2022. 31 days forward movement, month over month, and 153 days forward in the last 6 months. For EB2, July 8th, 2012, 68 days forward movement, month over month, and 403 days forward in the last 6 months. EB3, January 15th, 2012, no forward movement, month over month, and 534 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. For China, for final action dates in EB1, January 1st, 2022, 31 days forward movement, month over month, and 153 days forward in the last 6 months. EB2, January 22nd, 2019, 21 days forward movement, month over month, and 327 days forward in the last 6 months. EB3, March 22nd, 2018, no forward movement, month over month, and 292 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. For El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras, final action dates for EB4, March 15th, 2019, no forward movement, month over month, and 73 days forward in the last 6 months. For Mexico, for final action dates in EB4, April 1st, 2020, no forward movement, month over month, and 60 days forward in the last 6 months. Moving on to dates of filing for India and EB1, January 1st, 2022, 31 days forward movement, month over month, and 153 days forward in the last 6 months. For EB2, July 8th, 2013, no forward movement, month over month, 585 days forward in the last 6 months. For EB3, January 22nd, 2012, no forward movement, month over month, and 741 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. For China, dates of filing, January 1st, 2022 for EB1, 31 days forward movement, month over month, and 153 days forward in the last 6 months. EB2, April 1st, 2019, no forward movement, month over month, and 274 days forward in the last 6 months. And EB3, April 1st, 2018, no forward movement, month over month, and 456 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. For El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, for dates of filing in EB4, May 15th, 2019, no forward movement month over month, and 61 days forward in the last 6 months. So with all that being said, let's forecast February 2022 Visa Bulletin for employment-based preferences. Disclaimer, these dates are completely made-up guesses based on my own personal hunches and historical data. For February 2022 Visa Bulletin, the H1B Guy forecast final action dates for India and EB1, February 1st, 2022. For EB2, August 22nd, 2012. EB3, January 15th, 2012. For China, for final action dates in EB1, February 1st, 2022. For EB2, February 15th, 2019. And EB3, March 22nd, 2018. For El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, final action dates for EB4, March 15th, 2019. And for final action dates for Mexico in EB4, April 1st, 2020. Moving on to dates of filing for India in EB1, I predict February 1st, 2022. For EB2, July 8th, 2013. EB3, January 22nd, 2012. For China, for dates of filing in EB1, I predict February 1st, 2022. For EB2, April 1st, 2019. And EB3, April 1st, 2018. For El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, for dates of filing in EB4, I predict May 15th, 2019. To recap, I'm forecasting final action dates for EB1 for India will move 31 days forward. Final action for EB2 India will move 45 days forward. No forward movement for final action EB3 for India. Final action EB1 for China will move 31 days forward. Final action EB2 for China will move 24 days forward. No forward movement for final action EB3 for China. No forward movement for final action EB4 for El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras. No forward movement for final action for EB4 for Mexico. Dates of filing for India and EB1 will move 31 days forward. No forward movement for dates of filing for India EB2. No forward movement for dates of filing for India EB3. Dates of filing for China EB1 will move 31 days forward. No forward movement for dates of filing for China and EB2. No forward movement for dates of filing for China and EB3. No forward movement for dates of filing for EB4 for El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras. Now it's time to forecast the release date of February's Visa Bulletin. I'm predicting Friday, January 14th, 2022 as the release date of February 2022's Visa Bulletin, with Wednesday, January 19th, 2022 and Thursday, January 20th, 2022 as my second and third options. Recapping the release dates: Friday, February 14th, 2022, Wednesday, January 19th, 2022, and Thursday, January 20th, 2022. Once the February 2022 Visa Bulletin is released, I'll put together the H1B Guy grades to see how I did with this month's predictions. For the full post on the H1B Guy forecast, February 2022 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions, please check out the H1BGuy.com. And a reminder that today's post was brought to you by Syndesus and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. If you're facing an H1B denial or OPT expiration, don't get caught off guard. Make sure you have a plan B, and Syndesus and Path to Canada are your answers. They will gladly help you navigate the process, and if you're interested in seeing if you qualify, please be sure to use the link in the video description below. And also by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your costs and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-Ads.com help you. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.